ready for this?
Part of the show, we're going to ask one of you guys to come up here and help us out with this next scene. I know we got the microphone up here, it's a little intimidating, but I promise you, you won't have to say a word. I'll do it. You'll do it, all right? Woo! He's like, I'm on the stage. All right, what is your name?
Mason.
Mason. All right, here's the Dixon line. Cross it, please. All right. You were going to be helping us out. Now, I did say you didn't have to say a word. However, you will have to provide sound effects for your scene.
Okay.
Can we get our two actors out here, please? Ty and Adam will be performing this next scene. Now, normally, we can provide all of our own sound effects. If we want to walk a squeaky chair, we can squeaky, squeaky, squeaky all the way through. But for this particular scene, we cannot do that. We need you, Mason, to provide the sound effects. And the way you're going to do that is you're going to watch them, follow along with their actions. They're going to try to give you some clues as to what's going to happen. You are going to provide all the sound effects. You don't have to get them 100% accurate. You just got to give ass sound to the best of your ability that might mimic what it is they are going to do. Now we're going to give you some practice here. So, Ty, watch what he's going to do and provide the sounds with this. He is going to take a baseball. He is going to take a baseball bat. He's going to throw this ball in the air, hit it with the bat. The ball will fly through a window and break the window. Okay. So follow along and provide the sound effects right to the microphone. All right, nicely done. We're getting a cat along the way somewhere, but that's all right. Now, something a little bit more complicated here. We are going to get Adam here. He is going to start up a chainsaw. He is going to saw through a very skinny tree. This tree will then fall down into some electrical wires and start electrocuting nearby electrical noises. So follow along with what Adam's going to do. Chainsaw cutting the tree. Nice done! Alright, Mason's gotta be fine. Mason's gotta be fine. Alright, I don't know what happened here. That was a little weird. Kind of freaked me out. It's like, is everyone else frozen too? Am I the only one doing it? Just me, my Twilight Zone. It's weird. Alright, so we're going to need a suggestion from you guys for the scene. Now, they're going to be doing what they're going to be performing the scene. You just follow along with what they're doing and add in the sound effects that they need. But what I would like from you guys as a suggestion is what would be a really cool project that like a father and son could do together, like building a treehouse or something, like something really fun or cool.
Boxcar racing.
Say again?
Boxcar racing. Like the racing cars?
Oh, boxcar racing. I thought you said Tarzaning, which I thought would be even cool too. Alright, so this scene has something to do with boxcar racing or making boxcars or racing boxcars, something to that effect. This is sound effects with Ty, Adam, and Mason in 3, 2, and 1.
Tommy, I see you're entering again this year.
Yes, I am, Father.
Well, you know, this year you're not going to win. I'm going to beat you. I'm tired of you kids beating me every year, so I've upgraded my boxcar.
I can't believe that you're still competing against me when I'm 18.
Yes, well, I'm 35.
I smoke a pipe. I'm far more of a man than you are.
Apparently. Look, okay. I just got to put the finishing touches on my car, and I am ready to beat you. All right, I got my hammer and nails right here. Just got to put a nice little slipstream on the front. I got some sort of weird wind hammer going on. But I'm hoping that the wind hammer will help the wind go past me. That's what I'm hoping.
Why don't I help you out a little bit, Dad?
All right. Fine, son. Help me out. Last time you sabotaged me, I did not forget.
Listen, you need to make it more aerodynamically correct.
I don't think that's a
You're gonna need to
phrase.
go farther. You're gonna go faster. I'm gonna need to beat this metal into place on the left and right sides of the car.
Man, you got one of them good hammers. Oh, I need me one of them. All right, look. Maybe we don't have to compete against each other.
I've heard you're going to Mr. Henderson down the street. You know, it's double boxcar racing. I heard he was going to be your wingman.
Well, you know, he's no longer going to be my wingman. I want you to be my wingman.
Why don't we take this out on the street then, and I'll be your wingman?
All right,
When we
get
go
in.
down and practice.
I forgot I put the seat in the back. I thought I put it on the side.
I have something something else to tell you later, Dad.
All right, Tommy.
I enjoy the seat being back here.
All right, I'm gonna let the brakes go.
Don't you adjust the mirrors quickly?
All right.
Good.
I don't think it did much. I just put them back and forth. All right, I'm gonna release the brakes. I forgot to put a shift gear in this boxcar. All right, man, stop.
Oh! That was inappropriate, Dad.
You're the one who got behind me.
Sorry?
Don't apologize. Look, I think this car is nearly perfect. I put a shift gear in and everything. We're gonna smoke the competition. We're gonna smoke the competition.
You know what? The competition's gonna have devices designed to stop you from winning.
That's good. That's good. That's why you're my
We're
winner.
gonna have explosive devices
Whoa!
to throw at you.
They're already throwing them at us. They're trying to
It's
psych
already
us out.
started.
Oh my God! They're trying to psych us out. We gotta do something to back at them.
We can put down something like an oil slick device that drops oil from the back of the car.
That's great. That's great. I have a big thing of oil right here. Let me put the barrel down. I forgot to close the lid before I put it down. Well, it's already slicked up.
I'll take it up with my hands and put it in the container. Well, thanks, Dad. I'm glad you helped.
All right. Well, we got the oil slick. You know what we need? What if we lit the oil on fire after we slicked it up on the road so that they just drove into the fire? Kind of like our own little explosion.
I didn't plan on these people dying, but
Tommy, we play to win. All right.
all right, yes.
Can't cross the finish line. They're not alive.
I'm in. All right.
We
I got a lighter here.
Okay, good. Well, let's
It's one of
make
those
sure it
long
works.
lighters that you like with candles.
Okay.
There we go. I can put that on the ground.
Oh wait, we gotta duct tape it to the. We gotta duct tape it so it comes out.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. I got duct tape right here. All right. A lot of duct tape.
Let me get that lighter right there. Duct tape it in, Dad.
Perfect.
I'm sorry to repair that so easily.
I know. Well, I'm a pretty strong man. You can almost hear my muscles. You can hear the wind going around them, like mountains, mountain winds. And so, shut up! Let's do it. Focus on the car.
Dad,
Yes, Tommy.
if you win this boxcar race,
If we win, Tommy. If we win.
I'm willing to vote for you for the leader of the Boy Scout troop.
What? I forgot that we voted on that. And cheese!